Next is Professor Shailender Swaminathan, who has been teaching, but he's also served in an administrative role as a Dean of the Division of Social Sciences, but more broadly as Dean of our undergraduate education. All of our undergraduate students know him very well.
Good morning. Good morning. So I did my undergraduate in Delhi University in economics. I did a master's also in Delhi School of Economics, and then I went outside to the United States for a PhD in economics, and I stayed on for over over 20 years. And then in 2015. For some of the reasons that I think Professor Kavita mentioned, India, for all the knowledge and experience one gets, there's perhaps no better place to actually address real-world problems than India. It's a phenomenal opportunity with the heterogeneity in the country, in people, tremendous poverty, inequality. Is interested in healthcare, and So he came back and been really pleased with sort of the opportunities given. Most recently, of course, at SaiU University. But I pursue work, as I said, in the area of healthcare economics. And just give you an example. One of the programs that the government runs is the Ayushman Bharat health insurance program. It's got a budget of about 10,000 crores, but trying to understand how effective that investment is on health in India is a challenge. So we were involved, and we're still continuing to be involved in work with the government, trying to understand, essentially the effectiveness of those programs. That involves a lot of data collection, involves a lot of statistics. And also, as was mentioned here, this idea of working with people from different disciplines. We work with people in healthcare, in law, in data science. So anyway, I'm very pleased to welcome you all. Look forward to interacting with you more. Thank you.